to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today I will show you how to make Myanmar Burmese style coconut rice properly. And I will also show you how to make traditional side dishes that will go really well with coconut rice. You can enjoy coconut rice as a tasty casual food, but it's really special, exotic and unique. So maybe you can serve it at your next dinner party. Everyone will love it, they will appreciate you. So watch all the stuff I do so you can try yourself later. Let's go! So there are two things to do the night before you cook the coconut rice: to make the bean sprout pickles and marinate the chicken. So I will make the pickles first. First, rinse the bean sprouts properly. Then drain. Marinate the bean sprouts with salt. Squeeze out all the water. Place them in the container or jar and add rice water. You can get rice water by washing the rice like this. That's it. Keep it in the fridge overnight and pickles will be ready in the morning. So I got the whole chicken cut into big chunks like this, and I will use everything like drumstick, wings, breast and everything else. And now I will marinate. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I will marinate with my hand. And make sure you massage them like this also, so all the seasoning can go in the chicken. Okay, that's it. I will keep it in the fridge overnight. I will use these tiny red onions. I will use the whole thing, so I will just peel them off. So I got here 6 cups of jasmine rice. You can use any rice, but jasmine rice and basmati rice are the best to cook coconut rice. Now I will rinse first. So you do this twice. And then rice are ready to cook. Now I will put 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. Onions. Now bring them together. Now I will add 200 milliliter of coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk. You can add more cream or you can use less cream according to your taste. Again, bring them together. So as you know, normally we need 9 cups of water for 6 cups of rice, but we already put 200 ml of coconut cream, so we will just put 7 cups of water. I will stir a little bit again. Okay, got it. Now let's cook the rice. Dice the onion. Pound garlic and ginger. Now we got a nice fine paste like this. So let's cook. Preheat the wok. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, saute the onion first. Stir. Add the ginger garlic paste. Stir. Saute them until they are soft. Okay, now they're soft, so I will add turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons, chili powder, 3 teaspoons, salt to taste. Bring them together. Deglaze the wok a little bit with some water. Add a bit of fish sauce. Add the chicken. I will saute them until they get a bit of color. Now they're absorbing all the good stuff I put in here. Now we got some color on our chicken, so I will add water and simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, let's check the chicken. Wow, the color is nice. I will taste it. is perfect, seasoned beautifully and really delicious. But if you want to put more salt or fish sauce, you can do so at this point. But for me, it's enough, really good. So our chicken curry, done. Thinly sliced shallot or red onion. Now I will quickly fry the dry shrimp with some oil. Once the oil is hot, fry them until nice and crispy. Just keep stirring so they will cook evenly. Okay guys, they're crispy, so we will set them aside. Pan back on the stove. I will use the same oil. Fry the thinly sliced onion. When they're soft, add tiny bit of turmeric powder. Just keep stirring until they get the nice color, sort of caramelized, crispy. Okay, now they're almost crispy, so I will turn off the stove. Keep stirring, make sure you keep stirring so you won't burn. Now I will add 2 teaspoons of crushed chili and keep frying. Don't worry, the oil is still hot, the chili will be cooked. Now I will just add the dry shrimp back into the pan and bring them together and just mix them up a little bit. Our spicy fried dry shrimp done. Okay, let's check the pickles that we made last night. This will be so delicious. This will add a bit of acidity to the main meal. So make sure you squeeze out all the water. Now we will put it in the bowl. Now I will try a little bit. Crunchy and really delicious. Rice also cooked. Let's plate. The smell is so beautiful, really is. Okay, that's it. Delicious coconut rice with amazing chicken curry and side dishes. Done. Let's dig in. The rice itself is amazing. You can just eat the rice on its own, but I will try with the chicken. I will put some gravy mixed with the rice like this, a little bit of pickle, little bit of fried dry shrimp and chicken. I will eat everything in one bite. It's really delicious. Pickles, and this one is also crispy and the chicken is tender. Everything in one bite is amazing. So try at home guys, okay? And your tummies will be so satisfied after you try this dish. Okay, that's it for today. We'll be back with more awesome recipes later. So until then, bye bye. So good, delicious.